In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot in just a few steps, making it simple and straightforward. First, you need to head over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the distinct interface that HubSpot offers, tailored to provide a variety of software tools for business management. Next, you'll want to click on the Login button. This is typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will take you to the portal where you can enter your credentials. Be sure to have your username and password handy, as you'll need those to access your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. Here, take a moment to explore if you're unfamiliar, but our focus will be on connecting your domain. In the top navigation, look for the settings option. Clicking here will navigate you to an area where you can manage all your HubSpot configurations and preferences. Now that you're in the settings, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and find the content section. Clicking on content will expand into more specific options. The next action here is to click on domains and URLs, which is usually listed under the expanded content section. This page is your go-to for managing any domain settings associated with your HubSpot account. You might spend time here if you have multiple domains, but for our current task, look for the button labeled Connect a Domain. This will prompt a series of instructions and fields for you to fill in, specific to the domain you wish to connect. A handy tip here is ensuring you have access to your domain provider's login details, as you may need to verify ownership or tweak DNS settings according to HubSpot's guidelines. Once you've completed these details, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the connection. Remember, connecting a domain might take a little time for the changes to propagate across the web, so patience is key. Once everything is set, you're ready to utilize your domain with HubSpot to its fullest potential. It's that simple. If you run into any hiccups, HubSpot support documentation is there to help guide you through any complexities. Congratulations on connecting your domain, which is a significant step in integrating and streamlining your business's digital landscape within HubSpot's ecosystem. Keep exploring HubSpot's functionalities to maximize the benefits for your organization. Thank you for joining me today, and happy connecting.